There are many benefits to keeping indoor plants. They can purify the air and lift your mood. These indoor plants are low maintenance, stylish and cozy, adding a touch of nature to your home. Here are 10 indoor plants that are so easy to take care of. Number 1, Aloe. Aloe doesn't need a lot of watering. Let the soil dry out and put it in a warm place with plenty of light-rich indoor temperatures. Just make sure you don't move it from one extreme to the other rapidly or it will lose its leaves. Number 2, Lavender. Lavender is beautiful and hardy. Just put it in a sunny spot and water infrequently. Number 3, Snake Plant or Mother-in-Law's Tongue. Snake Plant or Mother-in-Law's Tongue is stylish and robust. It can tolerate low light and dry air. Just put it in any spot and water infrequently. Number 4, Spider Plant. Spider plants are popular hanging and potted plants. They just need light and water. They are easily propagated by placing the plantlets in water or soil. Number 5, Peace Lily. Peace lilies are stunning and come in white, pink or purple. They only need low light, moderate temperatures and moist soil. Number 6, Succulents. Succulents are versatile and lovely. There is an abundance of varieties and they need very little care. They are great for terrariums or as standalone feature plants. Number 7, Cactus. Just like succulents, cacti are adaptable, varied and strong. Just plant them and leave them alone, watering them rarely. Number 8, Heartleaf Philodendron. These plants thrive in any space. Low or bright indirect light is best. Let them dry out before watering again. Number 9, Pothos. Pothos comes in many colors and thrives in low light, which makes it perfect for darker rooms. Number 10, Herbs. The best indoor plants are the ones you can eat. Nothing beats potted herbs for fragrance, well-being and practicality. Put them on a windowsill in the kitchen and water every other day. Thank you for watching.